we had been 10 times faster in importing, for example, step files. We at CMC Engineers are visualization specialists, especially in the area of real-time 3D. So we mainly focused on application based on Unity 3D. We have our core product, which is the virtual reality engineering software CMC VR. CMC VR is a VR software for the standard engineer who can very easy visualize ad hoc his CAD data, he can interact with his data, he can easily evaluate his 3D files. You can directly import native CAD formats. We also support all the exchange formats that are in the market. Unity 3D has a direct interface to our software as it is based on Unity 3D. And you can then just interact with your data. So we are using really like quite a bunch of importers, and we had to take care of all of them. So we've been looking for a single source CAD importer. Every time our developers had some questions, there was really like fast responding from your team. There was even some custom-made adaptations for us. I think the main advantage we really had is like we had been replacing also existing importers from us. And by doing this, we had been 10 times faster in importing, for example, step files. There is almost no limitation on the 3D formats anymore since we're using CADX now as well.